Hello. It's been a while since I've posted a video here, but today we've got something a little bit different, but I'm excited to show you around and give you a little bit of an update on what's been going on. Essentially in today's video, it's going to be a bit more of a, not so much focused on only photography, but it's going to be a bit more of like my daily life and like what I'm actually getting up to here in the Netherlands, because it's been now 1 year since I moved to the Netherlands, and I just want to kind of show you what my life is like here. And I'm going to take you along. We're going to be going shopping. We're going to go to the shops. We're going to be going to Amsterdam to do a photo shoot. I'm going to tell you a bit about my new side business that I've started with my girlfriend. So yeah, I'm looking forward to showing you today's video. And before we get started, first things first, let's make a coffee. Before I make my coffees though, what I like to do is warm up the cups, because otherwise your coffee just gets cold way faster. So I like to boil the kettle first, and we've got going on over here, and then yeah, it's like a little hack that I like to do. Oh, that's a bit overexposed, holy shit. Milk. Automatic milk frothing as well. So good. Empty out the hot water. We start the coffee. This thing makes the best coffee, honestly. That's what you want. Proper. Alright, latte out. Let's see. Oh, I already feel it's a bit too milky. Oh no. Can we still make something? Nice. Nice. Oh. Okay. Not bad, but come on, we can do better. Round two. Let's go. Alright. Oh, once again, very milky. No, this ain't gonna work. Oh. Kind of. Oh, got a bit of bubbles at the end. Gross. Oh, nice. Where should we start? Well, I've been living in the Netherlands now for a year. That went by so fast. I've been focusing a lot on photography still, but it's been less on YouTube and less about the vlogs and stuff. And it's been more about like focusing on Instagram, been posting a lot of Instagram carousels, working with different brands over there for like collaboration posts. I recently did a talk with Viltrox, which is a lens company. Been working with Sony here in the Netherlands. So just been like a lot of different projects in the background, but also like more focused on Instagram and a little bit less on YouTube. So yeah, that's kind of what I've been focusing on in terms of work and stuff. I've also got a Vietnam trip planned. It's a Vietnam photography trip, which is literally in 2 weeks. So we're going to be going to some hectic photo locations. So I'm really looking forward to that. Then I'm heading to Australia in December for 2 months. That's going to be fun. Good to see the family again. That's kind of my travel plans. What else have I been up to? I did my first jiu-jitsu competition a couple weeks ago, or like a couple months ago now actually. So that was a lot of fun. Super nerve-wracking to do that though. But it was a fun experience, and like just getting out there when you know like there's the guy next to you or the guy in front of you is literally, he's trying to submit you. He's trying to choke you or like break your arm, and they're going like 110%. So something like being in that situation really was a new experience for me, but I learned a lot, and I learned a lot about my own jiu-jitsu as well. What else? Today we also have a photo shoot. We have another photo shoot for a side business which we just started called Side Dish, which is we do photography and videography for like restaurants. So we just wanted to start that because we loved food and we loved food photography. So we started that like, what, a couple months ago now? Yeah. And it's been going really good. Starting to get some more regular clients coming in, which is nice. And yeah, so we'll bring you along to a shoot later today. But first, let's go grab some food. Let's go. It's getting really cold here in the Netherlands, but this sun is beautiful. It's actually quite similar weather moving from Australia to the Netherlands, like maybe a bit more cloudy here, but then you get days like today where it's just so sunny blue skies, and it's nice. It's nice.
Nice.
That's something that Peen has realised that I say my Aussie accent. Instead of saying it's nice, I just say it's nice.
It's nice.
Yeah, I'm priceless, mate.
This one as
Bloody
well.
cracked bananas, mate. It's niet goed. Alright. In the thing. Should we get one or two? Yeah. Nice. Do we need much else? We were just buying breakfast, really. Breakfast. 13 euros for that. Oh.
We did it. Breakfast.
Okay, this has got to be the coolest way to buy eggs. They have a couple of other things, but it's essentially this little shop, and there's no one who works here, but like, have a look. All these are like little things of eggs, right? But they're all behind this screen. And they have other stuff here like Peen's favourite, the chocolates, apple stuff, whatever that is, I have no idea. But essentially how it works is you come here, you go, bang, I want some eggs. We get 20, then you pay. Come over here. And this little thing opens, and then you grab your eggs. There you go. Bang. And you just shut it. Now, I've never seen this in Australia. When I first came here, I was like, this is the coolest thing ever. I don't know if this is like normal everywhere else in the world, but I really like it. I think it's pretty cool. So it's a fun little thing that we got to do here in the Netherlands. It's called Appeltje Eitje. That's the name of the business. Shout out. We started this new thing the other day. It's where you laugh and you put your tongue out like...
This is so stupid.
Imagine if everyone did that when you laugh, you stick your tongue out. I'm making 2 knakkenbrood, that's what they call them here, knakkenbrood. One with pindakaas, which is peanut butter, and another one, I'm going to have some like eggs on it. Just keep it simple. But this peanut butter here, it's got caramel and sea salt. It's honestly really good. Like, yeah, recommend. It's nice. It's nice. Little yogurt bowl going on over here. Look at that, mate. Get a yogurt B-roll. Smash it on. Nice. Done. Nice. Bit of eggs on this one. We got the pindakaas. We have the pindakaas, peanut butter and banana. Yum. Coffee number 2. We're going to go meet up with one of our friends, Yessa, who's not from Arnhem, but he's also living here at the moment. So we're going to go meet up with him and get a coffee at a local cafe that's actually, it's pretty good. It's like also specialty coffee, obviously coming from Australia. I love my coffee, so finding like a good cafe here was super important. So yeah, I'm keen to show you it. Church bells playing, sun in my eyes, about to get a coffee. How good? Lekker toch?
Life's good.
Yeah. Life looks good. Hot dog stand.
Just about to put them in.
The barista can do a good latte, that is how you know it's going to be a good coffee. Proper. Yeah, brother. Have a good day. Do it. Hello. I can hear you. Hello. I need Alright, now we're about to go to the shoot. I'll show you a couple of the things that we've got. We've got This is a Amsterdam 150C, so this is what we're going to use for like a continuous light because we're going to be doing photography and video. So we're going to have this one for the video and maybe the photos if it's bright enough. Light stand, important for the lights. And this, which is a huge 120 centimeter Godox softbox. So this is going to create some really soft lighting, which is really nice to get those nice and soft natural colors. What else? Lens wise, I think, oh yeah, gimbal.
Oh,
DJI RS3 Mini. I'm going to be using this for some of the video stuff as well. I will shoot the photos on the Sony A7CR. So I like this one because it's got the flip out screen. It's super compact. Swap out to the 24-70 as well. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Alright, shoot is done. One of the favourite things that we love about doing this is you get to eat all the food, all the delicious food after the shoot. So now it's time for us to enjoy.
Right now we are in Amsterdam and I got my hands on the new iPhone 17. So actually it's a 17 Pro Max and I thought I'd come here to do a bit of street photography today. It is quite cloudy weather, but the sun might actually be peeking through, which is going to be good. But oh, I can already see a cool shot over here. Let me actually quickly get this shot. Sorry, this always happens. You always get so distracted. Like these two people trying to take a photo with the umbrella. Actually, let's get a better angle of that. But I see a nice minimalistic shot over here of these people. Maybe this one person with a reflection. Oh no, okay, it's too rainy. But yeah, I'm looking forward to trying out this phone. I've seen a lot of these like Instagram reels where people show the 0.5 camera on this versus like the 8x zoom. So keen to try that out as well because apparently the zoom on this thing's insane. I don't really have a specific plan of the photos that I want to get, but I know around this area, around the train station, there's a lot of cool different compositions. So we'll swap over to the POV mode now and let's get some photos. Alright, that was a pretty fun little photo shoot. First time actually really using the iPhone 17 Pro. Now I'm going to go meet up with Peen, my girlfriend. She's here as well in Amsterdam today. She's at a cafe somewhere. I also am in need of a coffee and it stopped raining, which is good. So one thing about the Netherlands, I love it here, but the rain, ga weg. You can't always control your weather conditions. Main thing with photography that I like to do is just go out, regardless, even if you don't get any good shots, at least you've gotten out of the house, you're moving your body, you're feeling good afterwards. So if you're thinking about it, just go out and shoot. How's it going?
hallo.
Good?
Ja, goed.
Found a nice little spot here.
Yep.
Nice. No latte art means bad coffee. No, that's not fair. I'll give it a taste test. Let's not try to spill it everywhere. It's a mocha. It's not actually a coffee. It's a mocha. It's not bad.
Even denken. Oké. Hey jongens, welkom bij een nieuwe vlog. Mijn naam is Pien van der Tocht. En ik neem jullie vandaag mee naar Chinees eten. Let's go!
Is that real? Okay, it's fake. False alarm. The whole team from Viltrox, I did a presentation for them recently, and they said this Chinese restaurant is like authentic as, like they said it's pretty much like exactly like the food from China, so I'm keen to give it a go. Crispiest beef I've ever had. That's delicious. Alright, that is the end of today's vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. It was more of a long one, and it was nice to actually take you along and show you a bit more of like the day-to-day life here instead of just doing a photo shoot like we usually do. So if you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, that's all from me today. As always, don't think, just do.